My name's Nate Crisco. I'm the development manager for 23 Springs. We wanted a wow factor, not just with the tenants in the building, but for anybody that comes by. The LED wall enhances the overall property just by bringing another major element of design to the public.
So an art program in a building like this is always a really important feature. We wanted something that would really integrate with the architecture, be part of the lobby experience, and give some variety throughout the day. I think what's great about this video wall and what we've curated is that the experience changes every day. So we have 12 hours worth of content that changes on the hour. It's also fun having the interactivity between the people walking past and what the images are doing. So it just really lends a dynamic feeling so that you're experiencing the art. So I think the LED wall enhances the overall property by lending a level of sophistication.
What makes it work is that it integrates with the architecture and with the space that Granite Properties has created.
We've got these monumental diagonal columns that people see from outside, but now with this video wall, people can see a touch of art that they haven't experienced before in Dallas.
The project, in my opinion, was successful because of all the parties that were involved. As usual, working with Planar on our project was smooth and easy. Worked with them several times over the years, and as always, they not only produce a great project, but their product is great, and their team is always easy to work with.
Ultimately, it's a team effort that has to be approached through a collaboration.
As you come in, it's not just the size, it's the actual art and content that they put together. It just has that wow factor for, not just watching it, but experiencing it.